Hi friends, this video shows how to do factory data reset. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings sub icon, go down, go to system, tap here, tap on reset options, then tap on erase all data or factory reset, tap here, then tap on erase all data button. Here you should be careful because this operation would delete all data from your phone, including your photos, videos, contacts, SMS, apps, everything. If you are okay with that, you can go ahead and tap on this erase all data button. Then again tap on this erase all data button. So that way you can start this factory reset process. So this way we can do factory data reset and erase all data. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.